Welcome to 120 Red Oak. This is a single attached, just over 1,000 feet, 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Today we're headed to the neighborhood of East Kildonan. People typically move here for great schools, access to public transit, and affordable pricing. Upon entering the home, you're going to notice that it's very well cared for. Plus, there's tons of great upgrades like the laminate floor and the tile backsplash. If you love this home as much as we did, give us a call, shoot us a message. We'd love to take you through.